Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaz9919 here, and what we're doing today is taking Dennis to get tracked. The dude I'm taking it to, I've asked if he'd be able to chuck the track lens on as well, seeing as he's tracking it and he's going to slacken them off anyway. He says, yeah, that's not a problem. That'll literally be a whole new sort of front end handling, if you know what I mean. So it'll have new shocks, new springs, and new drop links, and new track rod ends.
Right then guys, so that is the track rod ends fitted and the tracking done. Go check out VTS, they're in the description below. I've put a link to the page. Really great company, really great guys. You know, they're sort of, if you go there and you want tires and they spot something underneath, they'll let you know, but they won't like force you to have it done like some places do. You know, they don't like peer pressure you into getting work done to your car and stuff like that. And they fit the tires and they're very respectable. You know, you get some nice cheap part ones or some cheap new ones, and obviously they do tracking and they also do aircon. So I've been going to them for years, so I'd highly recommend them.